how to edit your LinkedIn headline. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your LinkedIn headline. So let's dive right in. Open up your LinkedIn app, head over to your profile in the top left corner, tap on your name, and now you can see pencil-like icon in the right side. Just tap on it. So here, as you can see, my headline is passionate and hardworking. Now I can just erase it and put in something else. And once you're done, just tap on done and then hit save. And that's it. You can see that the headline has been changed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.